Hello. Good morning, everybody, and good evening. Good evening, good morning. Beanie Player. What is up? Jeff Koski's here. Hello. Disciplined Trader, aka Alicia. Welcome. Farhad, good morning. Good to see you, Farhad. Bowser, what's going on? Albert, hello. Hey, it's my pleasure. I mean, actually, it was just a quick vlog. Nothing special. And I did everything on my phone. Like, even the editing. Anyway. Happy you liked it. All right. Beanie Player just got out of his shorts. So you're naked right now. Alright. Anyway. I'm still sleepy. Off this pump. All right. What kind of a pump was here? Let's see. Oh, wow, 30 points in the slow London session. There's gonna be so in the UK there's a bank holiday as far as I know, right? Oh, sleep shores. All right. Oh, the sun is. I mean, why is it so bright here? I have to find the remote for the shaders. Not shaders. That's actually not it. For the roller blind. Yeah, I have to find the remote for the roller blind. Where is it? Yonix, hello. What's up? Tokyo's cash market is closed today for, oh yeah, okay. So it seems like we could be seeing an extremely slow London session. Okay. I guess we'll see. Let's put the Asia high and low here. I would say that's an Asia high. I like that. What the Forex is here. Hello, welcome. Past two accounts. Hey, thank you, Beanie Player, and congratulations for passing those accounts. The cheat code works 50% of the time, every time. Congratulations, man. Good job. That's a hell of a good job. Passed another funded. Up on your front. Oh, wow. Jake, congratulations. 800 away from the buffer. Oh, man. Getting close. Getting close. That's a good job. Awesome. 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 That is excellent. Excellent. Congrats again. And the man from the future himself. The market is going to move this week. Okay. We will move. I hope we will move together with the market. Ron, good morning. Hello. I don't know. Should I wait for some more to go? Well, Jake, just take it, small size. Small size, and you shouldn't be stressful. Trading should not be all that stressful. I mean, yes, it's good to feel some stress every now and then. Keeps the blood pressure going, but just small size. That's all, and it will be just fine. Just fine. Don't worry. $100 daily payouts will still bring a big smile. Oh, definitely. Oh, wow. Oh, definitely. What's my opinion about Funded Futures network? So far, I have nothing negative to say about them. There was one glitch a few weeks ago when I didn't do anything, and somehow my stop order was not triggered on their server, and they said it's not on their end. Something must have been with Quant Tower. I don't know. Otherwise, so far, I'm still working on. I have 2 funded accounts with them. I'm working towards the payout, but so far, I had no issue. The support is good. The community seemed to be okay. I didn't realize that in the first place, but they are in business since 2022, I think. They paid out everybody, no denials. They said, they also tweeted this out, and I retweeted that. They said they have not denied any payout since they're in business. You know, nothing bad to say for now. I mean, you know, I don't know why didn't I even try them out in the first place, like much earlier, like last year or something. Anyway, I guess they got picked up by Patrick Wieland and some others too, and that's how they got to my radar as well. But I like it so far. Natasha, hello. No wonder why trading. I like that. Hello, good morning. What is going on? What is going on? Asia High, it seems like, is the first target here. Naomi's here. Hello, Naomi. Good morning. Or good evening. Good morning, right? What is going on? I have to see my super fantastic indicators from the future. Not much is happening, right? See the PP, it's my trading room. Oh, let me check it. By the way, I do have to log into my chat anyway. I think we're going for 111. That's what it seems like. Not sure, but definitely that's what it seems like. Oh, I have to change the banners. I'm sorry. I still left the Bulenox 91% sale on there. It's not on. I have to change everything. I was super tired yesterday to update my banners list. Oh wow, I see the profile picture. Nice. Very nice, Natasha. Hey, I like it. I like it. Awesome. Nice comfy little table there. Desk. Comfy desk with the chair. Simple, elegant, you know, with the world map to point out where we want to go, you know. I like it. The Jukur trades. Hello, good morning. Hey, welcome. Di Lorenzo, good morning. The man from the future is saying 111 on the way. Exactly, yes, Natasha. That's a nice little, that's very elegant, by the way. That really nice desk. TLA Trader, welcome. Did you make it through the weekend? Red, yellow. Well, yes, actually, parking wasn't that simple, I must say, but parking was not simple at all, but I made it through. So I am definitely happy about that. Yeah, we made it through. And it was great. How far are we in terms of risk from here? Just a second. It seemed to me I'm looking to flip one account here. I don't know if I can make it. Maybe it wants to get up there. I'm looking for $2,000 in payouts on one of my Apex accounts. All I need to do is get $50 on a flip day. So I entered the trade right here. This is on a funded account, and I'm only looking for $50 here, nothing more, because this account had 3 payouts already. So I'm willing to take the safety net out. As you can see, this one has 2,679, but as I said, this will be the 4th payout, and after the 3rd payout, Apex lets you to take out the safety net. And I'm already done what I could. All I need is one more $50 day. So if this trade would hit 97.50, then that means I'm gonna request $2,000 from this account tomorrow. So I don't know. If it's not gonna hit it, then obviously I'm gonna try once more tomorrow. So that's the plan. Let's see. Green, hello, good morning. Paul is here. Hello, Paul. Chalk says made 50% on your top step combine with that push. Let's go. And Camille is here. Hey, hello. What is going on? How was the weekend, by the way, everybody? You missed the short on ES? Don't worry. The next setup is on the corner. Apex allows after 6th payout, not the 4th. Not the 4th. I mean, I thought that it's after the let me check it, the safety net. So look at that, the 6th. Just a second, because I read it on the website. So let's check it together, because I'm not sure. Safety net. Okay, so here it is. So what is this then? Safety net for first 3 payouts. Okay, just we have to go over this because this is what I'm aiming for. Maybe I'm totally wrong. Applies for first 3 payouts only. The safety net requirement must be observed for the first 3 approved payout. As of the 4th payout, the safety net requirement is no longer applicable. Safety net definition, blah, blah, blah. Minimum payout. If you have reached the safety net threshold, you can request payout of, okay, even if it exceeds the safety net. Okay, so correct me if I'm wrong, but this for me says that trader account reaches the minimum payout. Okay, this applies even through increased safety net. The request higher than okay. This tells me that I can request a payout after the third payout if it exceeds into the safety net. So the maximum payout, as we all know, is 2,000. After the 6th payout at Apex, there is no withdrawal cap, as much as I know. So I can request $20,000, 50, whatever, you know. But there is no safety net rule, as much as I know. At least it's on their website, so correct me if I'm wrong, because that's what I'm aiming for. If this trade would hit the Asia high, I don't even have to go to Asia high. I would be happy with 97. If this one hits, then I would like to request $2,000. So here's here's the account. Where is it? So here's the account. It has $2,665, but I had 3 payouts already. So can I take out $2,000 if I hit the 8 trading days? This would be my 5th day for $50, and I already flipped it 3 other days. So if I hit this one, I should be able to get the $2,000. Am I correct or not? Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. That was published 4 days ago. 4 days ago? Where was it published? Oh. I thought that I can request the payout. So I don't care about this account anymore. I want to get the safety net as much as possible. And if it blows up, it is what it is. I still have some other accounts here, so I just want to get that 2K. This was updated. Effective dates updated 4 days ago. They updated it 4 days ago, and it was here last week too. So the safety net rule is still in play, as far as I can tell. All right. Anyway, let's see what happens. Can you? Sure, I can. Let me link it to you guys. So here's the link for the payout rule. Oh, sorry about the noise. It's the magical indicators from the future. But I will look into it. Probation, trading requirements. Yeah, I was reading the whole page recently, everything. Special trading threshold, safety net, exit. Once you hit the safety net, you hit the safety net. Okay, temporal exceedments. Okay, I was reading the whole page last week, everything. Every sentence about the structure, whatever. Safety net, yeah, everything. So, oh, sorry, the noise. Yeah, I'm disabling it. Anyway, looking for that Asia high. If not, then obviously we'll be looking for that Asia low at 991 actually. Let's look at the 15-minute. How was NFP, by the way? I wasn't trading it, but as the way it looks like, I mean, I was expecting a bigger move, like 200 points to the upside. That was the top. It seems to me that it was struggling a little bit after the open, but anyway. Okay, we have an order block there. Not a perfect order block, so doesn't matter. There's an order block here too. All right. Interesting. Will be interesting to see. %, payout eligibility. It says 7. 7th payout. 100% payout eligibility. But I'm not taking out 100%. 6th payout and beyond. Starting from the 6th payout, traders can access 100% of their profits even if it's achieved earlier than 4 months. If moved to a live prop account, the trader can withdraw before the 6th payout. Existing payout holders are already 100%. Faster access to full payouts. The payout maximum limit is now based on the number of withdrawals. So I guess it's the payout maximum, like how much you can withdraw in one payout. So I mean, this is how I understand. I was reading this. In my understanding, I think this is for the $2,000 payout cap. I think, but I could be wrong. I guess we'll see tomorrow if the website updates. I mean, the PA request link, because you can take $2,000 from a 50K account. I think after the 6th payout, there is no, this is what it's for. Like you can request 100% of your trade. Like for example, you have like $20,000 on your 50K PA account, so you're up to like $70,000 all together, and you can't request it. You know, I think this is what they're saying. Like you can't request 100% of your profits because you still didn't have like 6 payouts, right? So I think this is what they're referring to here. Like once you hit 6 payouts, and that's why JadeCap was also posting, like he was requesting 6 payouts, like a payout every time he could, just to make it to. Yes, I thought that was what you were trying to do. I had done so. Anyway, we'll see what happens. That's what I was thinking. Maybe I was wrong. Anyway. There's an order block here. We have an Asia high, Asia low. What's on the 1 hour chart? There is a fair value gap up there. I'm just gonna put it there for future reference. There is a 1 hour fair value gap. 1 hour CB. Right here. Okay. This was the news candle, right? Somewhere here. The NFP candle. Oh yeah, this is it. Whew. Man, lots of orders could be resting down here. Gotta stay sharp. Sell side liquidity, NFP candle. Okay. It could be a trick. It's not even going to try to push it there. It's on for 4 hours. Yeah. Need the personal guarantee? I can't. In this morning, when there's technically we don't have a London Open. We don't have a London Open here, so it's you know, it's hard to say. Gold is just going sideways too. We don't have a London Open. That's the issue. I'm not seeing a long entry. I'm just seeing possible areas as drawn liquidity. For example, here the 111. But if it goes down, we have an Asia low, we have an NFP candle on the downside. So we have targets all over the place. We have liquidity maybe here in this 1 hour fair value gap up there. I don't see a specific entry. I jumped into a very small trade, like with 1 micro on one of my accounts, and that's it. If I lose it, it's all right. So exactly, TLA trader, as you said, the market goes back to the scene of the crime. So that's why the NFP candle, which is a flat candle by the way, could be a target for later. Who knows? Who knows? Still, oh yeah, I have to change. I'm sorry about the banners, everybody. I have to change. Bulenox is not offering the 91% yet. Funded Futures Network is still with the 50% discount. As far as I know, I have to check this. No, yeah. I'm sorry. I have to change it for Bulenox as well. Updating. It didn't work. Let me check it. Let me check it. Oh, 35% off. Funded Futures network is 35% off. Man, I have to change the banners here. I apologize. Funded Futures network is back to 35% off. And yeah, for life. Yeah, 35% off. And yeah. You have to take up. All right, Beanie Player. Thank you so much for dropping in, and have a good time. Have a good day or evening, day. See you later, Beanie Player. Marcelele, good morning. Hello. Arian, hello. Any problems with MyFundedFutures? No, no problem. Nothing. They were actually super fast. They were one of the fastest. I mean, sometimes they do lag behind, but no, they're not lagging behind. Actually, the fastest payout ever I received was from MyFundedFutures. 9 minutes. Requested the payout from the account live on stream. Requested the payout. 9 minutes later, it was approved. I mean, no. Requested the payout. 2 minutes later, it was approved. It was sent to the Rise account, which is a crypto wallet, by the way, as everybody knows. So I got paid out in 9 minutes altogether when I requested it in New York business hours. So I got paid out in 9 minutes. So no issue yet. Hopefully, there will be any. There won't be any. Trader Joe, hello. What do you think about movement? There will be the London session should be very slow because UK. I mean, we still have Frankfurt open, and of course, anything can happen. But I'm not expecting any kind of big movement here, especially after NFP. You know, NFP Friday. So honestly, I think we should be or could be lucky if this one just hits at least like a small liquidity pocket on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, Satoshi, MyFundedFutures is by far, in terms of requesting a payout, is the fastest. Now the payout policy is different, but requesting a payout and paying you out, I think by far they are maybe the fastest. Be careful, Tom Patek. Patek is known to be sensitive. Who is Michael Patek, or who is that? Is he watching the stream? Friday from Apex, Saturday 3 a.m. Yeah, the last payout was super fast for me. And by the way, I requested $705 on one of my Apex accounts. I wasn't even sure if I get it because I was doing some crazy scalps on that account. So I said, maybe they're not going to allow it, but I was like trading smaller. And so I requested it on, hold on, let me check it. Apex Trader request payout page. I requested it on last Thursday, got approved on Friday, and this morning I got the email from my bank. I mean the notification, not email. So this was like, but it's only $705, which is a good money. But 010 was perfect long entry. Yeah. I know what you're saying. Yeah, right down there. That was it. He canceled that guy on X. What? No, MyFundedFutures was so far the fastest. I didn't know. I mean, they're always having some kind of feud between each other. I don't know why. but since I'm not affiliate with TopStep, which would be awesome, but you know, I don't know what's going on with TopStep lately. By the way, I heard some not negative things, but some support is always like in a few days of delay. Payouts are getting longer, like 5 to 7 days. I don't know. Just saying, but I still think like TopStep is great, but by the way, everybody, I got invited to MyFundedFutures TV. Like you know TopStep TV. After TopStep TV, MyFundedFutures also is doing the MyFundedFutures TV, and they sent me an invitation if I could join them for like a little bit of a chart talk or something in the PM session. But I still haven't decided yet, so I'm gonna obviously reply. Should I be on MyFundedFutures TV? I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but I mean it's a nice, nothing bad. It's obviously it's a good thing that they have this. They have a thing like that. But yeah, Apex working a little bit faster. Oh, not Patek. Oh. Yeah. Same day. Okay, so there you go. A few weeks ago I've been told that there were some delays, but okay, now we know it. KK Trade can confirm that they paid fast. Kamil says, "Do it." Well, I don't want to CEO FUNDEDNEXT like flex so much usually. The CEO of FUNDEDNEXT? Oh, I haven't even checked who is exactly the CEO of FUNDEDNEXT. Press now, but you have to follow the rules. Yeah, go for it. MyFundedFutures TV every morning, and they have smaller influencers in there, which I like. Yeah, I checked them out, and obviously they were having some nice moderate talks about charts and stuff. So I a few times I checked them out, and like nothing bad actually. Not claiming anything outrageous like profit wise or something. They were just talking about setups and profits and stuff. It's modest. It's good. Obviously they not having that much viewers like TopStep TV yet, but it's a good. I think it's a good idea for a prop firm maybe to engage in social media. So for any prop firm to engage in social media. Yeah, maybe more exposure. So yeah, I'm thinking about it, but they told me they are looking for people in the PM session. Now for me the PM session is like in my time, because I'm in Hungary, Europe, it's gonna be most usually like in 7, 8, 9 PM, which is okay because I'm a night owl, so I can stay up for like midnight or 1 a.m. But since I'm streaming in London, New York, and then going back for a PM session chart talk, I will be spending my whole day at the computer, which is fine because I love trading. But yeah, so maybe once in a while I can jump in like once or twice every other week, maybe. Why not? Actually, I'm already honored that they sent me an invite, so I'm happy about it. I'm very happy. I'm that they even considered me. Okay. Oh, I have to change the banners here. Sorry. Let me change. Funded futures, no. Bulenox, we're taking off the 91% sale because it's over. It's over, Ben. It's over. Bulenox. Okay. Bulenox has been changed. Funded futures network. Funded futures network. No. No. The banners are, I mean, it's changing all the time, so I have to update as well. Okay, I think I found it. Funded futures network 35% off. Okay, I have it. Oh, but there is is there activation fee? I think there's an activation fee, right? Oh man, give me a second. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Anyway, it looks ugly, but it will do the job. All right. Say, don't have time to small. You are BDH kind of guy. Yeah, we should be doing the European style BDH, right? Hey Tron, what's up? Maybe you just back up. Ask them for 5K appearance fee, and actually, I think they said something about money involved in the thing, but I don't think that kind of money. It's not fun. The next CEOs flex this. Yeah, I mean, some prop firms are flexing, some of them not. Interestingly, and I'm saying this about Bulenox right now. Take Bulenox for an example. Bulenox, I said this 1,000 times, but I'm saying this for the new people who might have not heard it. I took quite a few payouts, thank God, from Bulenox. They don't have any social media presence at all. Like, they have an outdated Twitter account, which was last active in 2023. So no social media presence. Nobody knows anything what the heck is going on. No Discord, no Telegram, nothing at all in social media from Bulenox. And they just pay out people. Imagine that. Oh my God, almost hit that. Just hit it. So you have to ask, remember, the art of the deal. Yes, the art of the deal. Oh man. Oh, look at that. It missed my TP. Yeah, their website looks like it was built in the early 90s. So, I don't know. Interesting. Trading CFD is best company for payouts. iFunds. I'm actually trading with the fibers by the way, but I trade so less on that account. I'm just trading it to keep the account active. But I have fibers account. But yeah, gold is officially unplugged, by the way, just saying. Come on, just hit that TP. Come on, baby. Oh, man. This can't be true. This can't be true, man. This is unheard of. Missing my TP with one tick. Never seen anything like that before ever in my life. Hypergrowth account. You are right at the daily 50%. Oh. That's why it does it. Hey! Okay. So now I have made $53 today, and this concludes my 8 trading days. Now, somebody tell me, can I request $2,000 from this? Because this will be my 4th payout. I'm totally confused. What do you guys think? Because on the website it says I can. Because the safety net is not applicable anymore after the 3rd payout. So can I take $2,000 from this or not? Again, I already had 3 payouts. So by the rules, I think I can. But I guess we find out tomorrow. So as I said, 3 payouts already done. This will be my 4th payout from the same account. Yeah, we'll find it out after the end of the day. Now, I will be updating you guys about this. I'd like to ask something that happened. Why you not close manual? Because sometimes, because it was a very small position, Trader Joe. It was like $50, as you saw that. And if I lose that trade, I was risking like $50. And even if it goes against me, it's all right. It's like $50, and I know it's, I know it's profit and everything. But if I lose it, I just move on to the New York session with that account, and that's it. It's a small size. But if it would have been like a bigger position size, like for example, $200, $250, whatever, I think I would have, if not closed it, maybe I would have moved my stop to break even or a little bit higher, especially in this slow London session, because there's no London session technically, and that's why. Risk management, baby, but it was small size. On the payout request window, it will show max allowed. Okay, yeah, it will show it. So I'm very curious, because the website, to me, it says applies to first 3 payouts only. And we talked about this, I'm just repeating myself. The safety net requirement must be observed for the first 3 approved payouts. As of the 4th payout, which is coming right now to me, the safety net requirement is no longer applicable. Now, what does this tell you? to me, it tells me that I can request within the safety net. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is it. So I'm going to request the maximum payout, which is $2,000 on a 50K account. So because someone can say you're not following your strategy, you must wait. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, I know what you're saying, Trader Joe. You must follow, and I know. I know. You have to follow strategy and stuff, and I understand. And obviously, sometimes, especially when it comes down to small numbers in trading, especially on occasions like this, when you need just a little bit for a payout or whatever, you need to, like, I don't need to, but you can fine-tune a little bit on your risk management. That's all we can do. Like Mark Douglas says and said, rest in peace, Mark Douglas said, there's nothing you can do about this market. The only thing you have control is risk management, nothing more. The market does whatever. You can have the best indicator in the world, you can have the best entry model in the world, the market will still do whatever it wants. You can only control risk. That is the only thing. And you have to predetermine your risk once you enter a trade. So that's the only thing we have control of. And I have to refer again to that. I'm going to find that there was an experiment. I think it's somewhere up there on YouTube. And that, hey, look at that. I just got paid out. It's not a big amount of money, but I got approved on Friday. I got paid out from Apex right now. I don't know if you can read it. $705 from Apex Trader just arrived. $705 just arrived from Apex to my bank account. Yay! Requested it on last Thursday, approved on Friday, just arrived to my account at this moment. Live on stream. No. When does the payout? I think after the 6th payout. 6th payout, Sorrel. So the 7th payout should not be capped. So you can request as much as you want. What is the story with the rules changes on DayTraders? I don't know, Yokozuna. I still have to catch up. I don't know. Is there some kind of a rule change on DayTraders? Marco, good morning. Apex has apparently changed the inactivity rule in recent days. A few days ago, I noticed that all my PA accounts I hadn't traded in the last few months had disappeared. Well, it could happen, I guess. Thank you, Natasha. Hey, Shenanigan, thank you. Thank you, everybody. Dave, you made 24,000 on 10 accounts. Wow. Jesus. Hey, thank you to Cent Trading. Jacques, hello. Croatia was beautiful. By the way, I'm just saying, if you guys... Whoa! Applause here. Omar Oli just subscribed to the channel. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. So if you guys haven't seen it, I just uploaded a quick little vlog video. We spent the weekend in Croatia. It was beautiful. And you know, the funny stuff is, I did all the editing on this phone. So not on my computer. I used the CapCut for editing. I never did that. I mean, I haven't really used it before. And while... so most of the editing has been done on the go, like on the weekend. Like I was just adding the small segments of what I was recording, and on the final touches, I just did that yesterday before I went to sleep. So everything was edited on CapCut. So it's not a professional vlog. Let me just say it's not a professional one. It's just pretty much an amateur editing, but the place was beautiful. Oh my god, I have to go back. It's like a hidden gem, really. If you go to Croatia, visit Mali Lošinj and especially Veli Lošinj. It's a hidden gem. It's like a little secret place there. We were having a nice lunch there, and it was just like in the movies, like next to the sea, fish, everything, beautiful view, this traditional Croatian music in the background, you know, birds, everything. The weather is just perfect. I mean, I was blown away. I was just like, if I could just sit there all day, that would be fine. Anyway, sorry. I was in trade, Jack. I was in a long position. It hit my TP at 97.50. So I was in a long position. Question about Apex. I know I breached the rule. Should I trade more days or first ask the payout and get denied? How many days? Check back. Aaron, I was in the same situation too, Aaron. And I'm not sure. The honest answer is I'm not sure, Aaron. I think, and what I did, I knew that I broke the 30% rule by a lot. So I was like down. It was a few months ago. I mean, not even a few, like 6 weeks ago or something. I don't know. I went down to like $1,500 or $1,600 because I was on tilt. So I just requested the payout, and the unfortunate thing is I had to wait for 5 business days to get the denial. But after that, it was a reset, reset and just do it properly. If I were you, Aaron, I would request a payout and get the denial. And from that, you will know in your head that, okay, let's just move on with a clean slate. Clean slate, clean everything. That's what I would do. How many days they check back? Last time they approved it in 24 hours, but I had an occasion where it was approved for 7 calendar days. So, Trader Joe is from Croatia. Nice. Yeah, they have very good food, very nice food, Chuck. Yeah. Well, I always like to eat fish when I go down to the Adriatic Sea. I always like to eat fish. So, Natasha is Croatian. Natasha is Croatian. Did I know that or didn't I know that? Oh my God. Everybody's from Croatia. Jacques is from Afghanistan and Pakistan. All right. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. How are international payouts working? Well, everything is connected to, with Apex, you have to register on plane.com. They're going to do a KYC. And once you're done with the KYC, you can add your international bank account at plane.com, and that's it. Once you registered with Plane, it's basically the same like riseworks.io, or it's a payment processor. Make the KYC, add your bank account there, and once you're done, Apex will know. Apex will send the contract, which is going to be signed or whatever. It was like 2 years ago or something when I did mine, but it's going to be signed, and that's it. They just send it to Plane, and Plane is automatically sending it to your bank account. When it arrives to Plane, they're sending it to your bank account. That's the way they do it. Oh, mixed Croatian and Slovenian. All right. What about Russia? Russia is beautiful too. I mean, let's forget about politics and the war, okay? You're welcome, Aaron. Beautiful woman they have. Nice. Netherlands here. Bands, hello from the Netherlands. Nice. Oh my god, Reza, the man himself. Hello. Good to see you, man. How was your trading week? I hope you're doing great. Natasha loves everybody here. How many commissions are they taking? Is it bad? No. Ron, to be honest, plain, I don't know how they do it, but as you saw it, I requested $705 on Thursday, and I received exactly $705 to my bank account. No commission. I don't know how they do it. I have no freaking idea what are they doing, man. I received the exact same amount of money that was deducted from my PA account. So, I don't know. What is it on Apex account? Right now it's $130. Last time, at least. Whoa, Kevin 5900. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome to the stream. What Slavic national? Is that a joke? Oh man, I have to. What is happening? What is happening? Oh my god. Fun coupons. Jesus, Reza.
New month, new start. Let's make someone happy. Smiley face emoji. A $50 giveaway.
This man. Guys, I have to tell you, I'm not sure who is new here, but I know we have a lot of OG viewers. But Reza spent literally thousands of dollars on this channel for giveaways. No joke, no troll. This is the reality. Man, we are... I don't know what... Reza, thank you again. I don't know what to say, man. I am super happy for your contribution, and obviously we're doing a giveaway. Let me look quickly on the chat here. Ollie, good morning. If I forget to say good morning to anyone, I'm sorry. Moscow, all right. St. Petersburg, Poland. Happiest person here. Let's go. Green. Have you heard from Tomasz? Haven't heard from him a long time. No, I haven't heard from him. He's gone. I mean, from our circles. Thanks again, Reza. Let me just set up the giveaway. All right, let me just set it up. Natasha, how about we all meet together in Croatia and we have a big party? Sorry, let me set this up. Giveaway time. We should be having a big party. I need to. I know I need to. Just a second. Let me start this. All right. Giveaway has started officially. Officially has started. So exclamation mark cash. Exclamation mark cash. The way you enter to the $50 giveaway. Thanks again, Reza. Croatia meeting, right? Let's go. Let me put this on the main screen. We have 22 people entered already. All right, exclamation mark cash. I'm not sure if I was reading everybody's chat here, so if you have any question or anything, I'm not sure if I replied to everybody, but anyway. Exclamation mark cash, baby. Thanks again, Reza. Super generous of you. 32 people already entered. Everybody likes a bit of a cash here. Oops. That was my super fantastic indicators. I have to do something about that. By the way, let's look at gold quickly. Quick look. Quick look. All right. Nothing special is happening here. It actually took out, well, it went higher, took this high. Maybe it wants to go lower. There's a fair value gap lower. Anyway. I guess I was a little bit lucky with that trade. My TP was 97.50. And I barely made it up there to reprice this gap here. And there's no London Open. So we might be heading to that Asia low again. When is event weekend? We have to plan it. I just got back home. But how about we should do it like sometime in the summer? That would be awesome. Yeah, thank you, Shenanigan. Don't forget to push the like button, guys. I would appreciate it. Push the like button. Let's make this stream known. That would really help out the channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Trading Star. Oh my God, where have you been, man? Trading Star. Where have you been? No, yeah, there's a UK holiday, I think. Most Forex brokers remain open for the except Christmas and okay, that's different. In observance of May Day. Okay, whatever. Anyway, there's a bank holiday in the UK today. It seems like it. There's going to be ISM services PMI at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. Yeah, the Frankfurt is open, so I can still see some movement. I mean, obviously we have other markets as well, but one of the bigger ones. All right, everybody. Exclamation mark cash. 40 people. 41 entered already. Everyone just entered. ABC entered. That's a very rare name, ABC. Let's go, guys. Pips Hunter, come on, let's go. We're not gonna wait too long. Just to save ourselves from the bots, you know. 47 people entered already. Schwarm, hello. Pips Hunter, hello. Waiting for 175. Oh yeah. Completely repricing this 1 hour gap up there. Yippee. Daniel, hello. Let's go for the cash, everybody. We have 53 people entered to the giveaway. And we're gonna wait like 2 or 3 more minutes, okay? You tell me, you the one who got disappeared to secret fantastic vacation. I did not disappear. I posted it out. You guys exactly know what I'm doing. I posted it out in the short videos. Of course you should enter Trading Star. Whoa! Ricky Lewis, Detroit MI. Just subscribe to the channel. Welcome, Ricky Lewis. What is happening on gold? Reprice this gap. It looks like a nice little 15-minute short entry. Look at that. And we have a gap down. If you want to go short on gold, I guess it's not a bad entry to go with. Actually looks quite decent on the 15-minute. 15-minute gold chart actually looks decent. I switched back to NQ here, but yeah. Reza, good luck, everyone. All right, Reza, see you later. Thank you so much for the everything, the generosity. You're awesome, you know. Have a good one, and see you as soon as possible. Have a nice day, guys. I'm gonna give a huge applause to Reza as the contributor of today's giveaway. And of course, he did so many, as I said, like a lot of money. He the man. All right. It seems like we're getting more and more subscribers. Like we just received 10 subscribers in a few minutes. So I'm just having a feeling that some accounts are getting drawn to the idea of the giveaway, which is awesome. I remember a few months ago it was like we were having 30 viewers on the New York stream, and we did the giveaway, and all of a sudden like we were having 45 or 40 something tickets for 30 viewers, and I was like, what? Nice. Let's go, Trading Star. All right, I'm gonna close down the entries in 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Closing the entries. I'm covering down the chat so I don't see anything. And we're gonna do the raffle here. So, the winner of the $50 cash giveaway, sponsored by Reza Banks for multiple times now, is the one, the only, the best trader in the chat. There's no other than P Shenanigan. Congratulations. Shenanigan is the best trader. Congratulations for the win. Awesome job. GG. Isham, hello, good morning. Congratulations. Let me type in my email for you. Shenanigan, awesome job. Send me your PayPal or, I don't know, Wise, Revolut, something, whatever. We will figure it out. PayPal is also good. That's my email there. And let's go. Congratulations. No, London. Yeah, bank holiday here. Bank holiday. Welcome to the good life. Oh, fighter jet is flying over the house. That's nice. Yeah, don't worry about it. Anytime, Shenanigan, you are absolutely welcome. PayPal is good. If you have PayPal, that would be awesome. If you don't have PayPal, we'll figure it out somehow. We can do Wise, Revolut, or something, you know, or something else. I don't know. Wow, these fighter jets are super loud. Wow. We actually, we do have like Top Gun not far from here. Yeah, the only thing that's left is USA Open. But what if, and I'm saying it as a big if, what if this one, hold on, I have to find it. Oh, it's not this one. Maybe this one? This one. I'm looking for an account here. Six. Okay, that will be fine. So I'm also looking if this one wants to go, still wants to go to that Asia high and into that 1 hour CB. Could be a possibility. Moving cows. Yeah, mowing cows. Upticking. Yeah. It's not, definitely not a strong move. A little bit of a slow movement here. Gold's just sitting there, and I have no entries. Maybe the only thing I will try to do is Asia low 991 maybe. Look at that. Are we going for the 991 here? That's what it looks like. Oh, and by the way, I totally forgot to say that, but at MyFundedFutures right now, if you're a brand new customer, you get a 50% off. 50% off. Or not? I don't know. Let me check it. Yeah, any MyFundedFutures plan is off 50%. Yeah. Oh yeah, here it is. So, yeah, MyFundedFutures has this right now. 50% off for new users. Every new user gets 50% off any plan with the code. I'm not sure if it's oh yeah, it's active until the end of the month. So, you know, it's a very good price if you're brand new with MyFundedFutures. Hey Ellie, when you look at flat candles, do you expect price to sweep? Exactly. Yeah. Not it's not happening every time. Like I'm mostly looking at flat candles when the price action and the market is slowly, you know, it seems like it's going that way. Then I would project a higher probability than that level should be or could be swept, even with just a wick, you know, wicks down for some liquidity. There you go. 2-cent trading paid 50 for the starter plan, which is more than 50%, right? Yeah, the starter account is $97, so I think you can get it for $48 or something. 47-ish? I don't know. 49? Guess what, Link? I hope you use the best cheat code up there. But really, it's a good deal. I mean, if you don't have an account, 2-cent trading. By the way, thank you if you use mine. If anyone is new with MyFundedFutures, you don't have a registration with them. Again, you can use my code or anyone's code. I'm just saying, 50% off. I think it's an extremely good deal. No activation fee if you don't have an account yet with MyFundedFutures. Any plan if you choose to go with the cheapest accounts right now for the welcome, you know, at MyFundedFutures is 50% off as a new user if you register and using the promo code. You can use any ones, by the way. I'm not saying, but obviously I appreciate the support, but it gives you 50%. Damn is falling asleep. All right, have a good one, and thanks for being here. Hey, thank you so much, 2 Cent Trading. I appreciate it very, very much. Thank you. Yeah, 0 Day J, he's cool. Hope he's doing good. I haven't checked on him since a while. Hope he's doing great. I think he used to be on Top Step TV nowadays, right? So, what is going on? Trader Joe is long. Okay. I see money flow code is good too. All right. Let's see. Are we going higher? Gold is. I thought that gold should be dropping down. It's not doing it. It's just hovering there. TP at 175. So you do want this one to close the gap. Actually, we have the new day opening gap, which I totally forgot to put on the chart here. So here's the new day opening gap. Good target. I don't know why I totally forgot to talk about this. This could be a good area. Like new day opening gap low and new day opening gap high. Okay. Open up this candle. What was the code? You can use my code, Tom Sabo there. If you use it, if you register the brand new account at MyFundedFutures, you can use my code. It should be giving you 50% off of any plan until the end of the month. Open at 182. 182. And this one closed at 200.50. Okay, so on the micro, these are the numbers. Let's go to the 5 minute. New day opening gap low and high up there. Actually, that's new week opening gap. I'm sorry. That's not even you. I'm still sleepy. Yeah, if the risk to reward is great, then obviously, why not? Going long at 50 if we come back down a bit. Oh, you have some friends. Nice. Sorry. Awesome. Spread the word if you can. I do appreciate very much. What was the code for a new? Yeah, oh, that. Sorry, I answered that. Yeah, thank you so much. Sorry. So, gold is still up there. I feel like there's a good chance for NQ to at least try to, even if it's not going for the new week opening gap. Let's say the target would be the fair value gap up there. There's a high probability. Look at that. The midpoint is at 150.75. So let's just go with 150. That's a nice whole number. We like the number 150. So if it goes, could be a low-hanging fruit there. But first we have an Asia high. So we have an Asia high there. But we are going to have a pre-market open, right? So that's gonna happen. Yannick's long aggressive 258. Go for it. Not financial advice. Be careful. Be careful. So I think we should be having like a quote unquote bigger move at the 4 a.m. pre-market open. Hopefully. Whoa! Geza 8, which refers to me. Geza, welcome. I think it's Geza. Maybe it could be a Hungarian name. Hello. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome. Welcome. Still waiting for an entry here, patiently. Oh, sorry. I forgot to turn off this. Wood chip higher, maybe. Yeah. The thing is, we have targets on both sides here. We have an Asia low. We have an NFP candle right there. I think there's lots of orders resting. This is the news candle from NFP. So we have the NFP candle. We have the Asia low. We have a Friday London session low. So let's just name it. Like, we have targets everywhere. Friday London low, and we have on the upside, we have Asia high, We have a 1 hour sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. We have a new week opening gap low high. So as you see, we're right in the middle. It's so hard to decide what to do, and there's no displacement, no strong movement here. So Apex has started closing funded accounts that had not been traded in a while. Confirmed across several discords, waiting for a response from Apex. I mean, it's no surprise there for me. I must say, Tron. Like, I was always asking, like not always, but asked sometimes as well on the streams from myself and from you guys. Like if, like Apex said a month ago, like last year, that obviously it was in their statement that there's no minimum trading days, right? So imagine how many funded accounts has been stacked up and just, you know, kept on the shelves there. Mostly, I don't know. I don't have any problem with minimum trading days. Most of the prop firms, I mean, at least quite a few of them, having minimum trading days, like once every week, once every 30 days, or whatnot. I don't see any issue with that. But they should have sent out an email like, "Hey, we are closing down. Like next week, we are closing down every account that has not been traded more than 30 days." Blah 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 blah. So closing down accounts unnoticeably, it's not such a good thing, I guess. But yeah. True day open. Yeah, and we are at the true day open. Yeah. Exactly. Oh, you guys know each other. Okay. But their frac says there's no require. Yeah, that's why this is a little bit strange. It is a little bit strange, but what about gold? I'm thinking to go short on gold. Still haven't decided. Oh wow, look at this. Even the 5-minute looks a little bit ugly. Yeah, exactly, Marco. So there was nothing about the inactivity. They should have tell this in advance, but $12:30. Tells time advance. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, 15-minute minus. 3:30. West Coast. Yeah. Oh man, I guess we have to wait for that 4 a.m. pre-market open. Exactly, Jay. Exactly. Like, so far, what we've seen here is the prime example, again, what market not to trade. Honestly, I have no desire to push the button in these circumstances. So this is just so slow, no direction. Best is to not to push the button. Oh, World Poker, nice. Special to 945. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna be curious of what it does. So much nice action. Well, maybe later in the New York session that can give us something, but you know. Yeah, maybe. Turkey inflation 30+% last year. Is that the official Turkish inflation? Yeah, Turkey. So, is that the official? Oh, if that's the official, how much is the real inflation? I've heard people saying that Turkish inflation is actually up to 7 or 80%, 70 or 80%. I don't know. It has not been confirmed. I mean, for like for the main products like bread, milk, meat, all this stuff. Like, that's a lot. Ollie, you're out. Yeah, let's preserve the capital for New York. Yeah. Yeah, the news. There's no news event right now, but we have to wait. Short seller controlling. I think I found your stream from Joker or Luna. Oh, nice. Thank you, Woodchip. Thank you so much for being here. Jason, you missed the giveaway. There was a giveaway, but it's over now. Well, we are reckless. Hey, thank you, by the way, Jokur and Luna, whoever it was, and to everybody for the support. Hey, I'm cool. I'm cool to hang out with, finally. I have to do a screenshot about this and send it to my friends. friends. I don't have any friends. I'm lonely. But finally, I did my job down here on Earth. Somebody approved that I'm a cool guy to hang out with, so I did it. Where are we going? Well, at this point, especially at the midnight level, it's a coin toss. So as you see, we outlined some levels. It can go like to anywhere from here. It's unplugged. There was a giveaway, Gerald. You missed it. Sponsored by Reza. But don't worry. Giveaways are coming back. Don't worry about it. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Yeah. Jakur trades is long, targeting 190. All right. All right. Let's see. Oh, Natasha is saying, I'm a cool guy. Thank you. I'm trying to be cool. The only problem I have left is I'm overweight. So that's why you only see me the neckline up, you know. And yeah, I do have to lose a lot of weight. That's the only problem with myself right now. Try my best. I'm eating seafood. I have to go down to the Adriatic Sea to eat seafood, fish, you know. Whoa! Hans Bake just subscribed to the channel. Welcome. Whoa! Thanks for joining. Welcome to the stream. 90% diet, exactly. Neckline, yeah. Yeah, you lose weight in the kitchen. Exactly, Profast guy. The thing is, as I told you guys, I have a good friend. He works at the gym, and he always keeps telling me like, I can do whatever. I can go to the gym all day, all night, which is good, obviously. But if I want to lose my man boobs and to lose my stomach, I just have to start at the kitchen. So that's what he says. So I have to start at the kitchen because it all depends who said it. The Jakur trades, yeah. I've been told exactly the same. 90% is happening in the kitchen. It depends on what I eat. I can be doing whatever, but it will all going to depend on what I eat. So the problem is I like to eat. I like good food. And not just every food, sweets as well. Chocolate. Like a good chocolate with a little bit more chocolate, you know, in some chocolate, sprayed with some chocolate. With a side dish of chocolate. Then more chocolate, you know, all the way. Guess which is my favorite season? The Christmas season. Favorite holiday. Anyway. Food is so good. I mean, thank you, God, for creating so many good food. Yeah, prep, yeah. Yeah, by the way, also being told, if I prepare the food advanced, it will be much easier and healthier. If I already have my breakfast, lunch, and dinner prepared, it will make it much easier. I've been told. So I gotta cut that shit. I know. Yeah. Just not any amount, yeah. The taste buds. I don't want to remove them. That's a gift. I don't want to. Yeah, I want to eat everything. Like, I really, and I like all kind of kitchen. I told you guys, every kind of cuisine or kitchen I like. Every country has so many good recipes and food, you know. Hey, shenanigan. Hey, I just received your email. Don't thank me for this. Thank Reza. Shenanigan, if you are here lurking in the stream, can you confirm that you have a J and a G in the first two letters of your email? That would be very useful. I hope you're here. A J and a G. Yes, okay. Nice, nice, nice. Perfect, perfect. Don't thank me, shenanigan. It was Reza Banks. I'm just the middleman here. So, but we're gonna do more giveaways. I promise you guys this. I will be doing giveaways this week too, just like last week, but this week too. So, all right. I'm sending it. I'm sending it. Let's see. Copying your email. I'm pasting it here. Copy paste. Selecting it. Adding the amount. Typing in giveaway. Next. Friend. Okay. We are friends now on PayPal. We are friends. I just became a friend with Shenanigan. All right, I'm gonna use this debit card linked to my PayPal. Okay. Man, PayPal just got more expensive, right? All right, anyway, I've sent it. I think. I hope. PayPal just got more. We have to find another way to do this because I mean, not for me, but for you guys, because you also have to. I guess if you pay with it, it's okay. Yeah, eating is good. Prep are delicious and packed nutritionally. I use MyFitness. Oh, nice. That's awesome, man. Maybe that's what I should do as well. I've been short married. Yeah, at least you admit it. Exactly. Exactly. Oh, it's good to have a new friend. You received it. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Congratulations, Shenanigan. Look at this, man. Look at this price action. The only thing that can save us is maybe the pre-market open, because this is just gonna be very bad here. What does London want to do? Take out even daily much higher highs? Well, we can try to find some logic in this, but we won't, because you just have 50-50 chance to create a narrative for both sides, both for upside and downside here. So you know, everyone retail as far as streamers. Yeah, easy short. All right, well, could be. And don't forget the NFP candle, that's gonna get hit. So maybe not now, but the NFP candle, that one, that holds lots of orders. Is it gonna happen now? I don't know. But that NFP news candle, that's hiding a lot of orders down there. 100%. 100%. We just don't know when it's gonna get hit. There's money there below that candle. Yeah, we're gonna have PMI. I said later. Yeah. I mean, on a day like this, it could be considered as important, as far as I can tell. On a slow day like this, and every news counts. Just a second. We're still just hovering here. Yeah, UK's closed. Wednesday FOMC. Okay. Well, two-stage delivery, and it's balance rebalance. No one knows which is insider target. Yeah. Yeah. Could be. Could be. I mean, yeah. Understand. Oh, the buy one get one for free is not working. I'm sorry about that. I'm just seeing that Streamlabs is still spamming with the buy one get one for free there, which is not happening now. I'm sorry. It has ended on the 2nd of it was on Friday. Yeah. Forgot to update. My apologies. We're waiting for that pre-market open now. Real human diet, you just need a grill. Lots of fat, lots of meat, all you can eat. I've been heard about that. That having a diet by eating only meat day and night. Is that the thing? Yeah, it's too far full. Yeah. Have a good one, TLA trader. Exactly. Like, this is officially like, it's it's so bad. Gold went higher. is just so bad. Eat once a day. Carnivore diet is good, but for me only short term. So once a day eating. Okay. I guess there's so many things we can try. Carnivore. Sorry, I mispronounced it. Yeah, carnivore. Trader Yamil, hello. Hey, what's up? Every 48 hours. Oh. MyFitnessPal. Oh, okay, so that's an app, right? Apple Watch. Is that available? I have an Android phone. Is that available on I have a watch somewhere. I have an old, actually it's right here. I have an old cardio watch. It's actually a Huawei Watch GT2E, but it's an old one. It's a few years old, but I used it sometimes, so I do have it for walks and running. I don't know him. I mean, I know him from the stream, but I don't know him in person or anything. I mean, but I know him as an OG viewer. He's becoming one now since a while. Yeah, it's an app, but is it available on Android? I think it's available, right? This Easter I was on Waterfast. Oh, Waterfast for 102 hours. Oh my god. Oof, that could be. It's Naz, Trader Yamil. Hey. Let's go. Exactly. It's Naz. Available. Oh, nice. Okay, I'm gonna look after that. I have to write it down. MyFitnessPal app. Okay. You want to eat more to lose weight. Just track your steps. What's the cardio system that you can sustain daily? Yeah, that's really would be a goal. Like, eat more to lose weight. I like the concept. Don't fade Joker. Okay. All right, wood chip. Oh man, what is this market? I was hoping for something at the pre-market open. Look at this. It's not happening. It's not happening. Look at this. It's painful to watch, actually. Scan the labels on food packaging. Oh, that's good. Free version is great. If it can scan those data, that's actually very helpful. "10 Rules of Trading" by Dennis Richards. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm going to write it down. I always like to have some book ideas, so. 10 Rules of Trading. All right. Dennis Richards. Hold on. Is that Dennis Richards? Is that supermodel? Oh, that's Denise Richards. Writes it differently. Okay. That's of course. Dennis Richards. Get him on the channel. We will do, by the way, one of these events. I think it should be an awesome thing to have, like, some of you guys sometimes pop into like a Zoom chat. We talked about this last week, so why not do it? Like, have some of you guys on a Zoom call or something, and we can like talk about stuff. So 1,600 into 200 million. Wow. 190. Wow. Let's go. $100 water daily. Okay. 100 ounce of water. Okay. Let's take an idea about short to fade. So who's gonna win this match? I don't know. Jakor at is 110, 190 sell on 2 micros for 2. I'm not sure I want to fade anybody. The beauty of this is that we can do this so many ways. And you know, also the beauty that everybody could be right in this game. I'm not fading anyone. I hate you. You guys are having some kind of a clash or something, some battle against each other. We could fade, obviously, but why would we do that? I'm gonna let you guys into a secret, which is obviously a secret. I entered to a long position, but only on a cheap Bulenox evaluation account because I'm testing the indicators, which I was doing like in the past 10 months or 1 year. So my indicators told me to go long on NQ, but so I'm in a long position, but only with like 2 micros. I don't even know where it is, and it doesn't really matter too much because this is just on a cheap eval. So I'm not really looking into that. Don't fade me, bro. Trader Jamil, aka Naz. You guys. I decided to, I mean, nothing against wood chip. I just went after my own stupidity, and I was just no, actually not stupid. I was just putting this trade on, as I said, because of an indicator. Nothing like special. 10 months. Like a year. It could be a year, maybe 12 months. Oh. Okay, look at this market back to the middle. Back to the midnight level. No, I just can't watch this price action. It's just so bad. Actually, I might have to close it down because my super magical indicators from the future are telling me that it could be turning into a short position. And this is exactly why we shouldn't trade in a market like this. Oh, you guys know it. I have my time to be slightly disrespectful to yourself first. Oh my god, you guys really having a blast. What a price action this is. Gold edging higher. I might gonna close down this trade. Under 5 minute picked up a bit of a swing high here. Now it seems like it's turning into bearish. Look at that. We traded lower than the previous 5 minute candle. Could be dropping down, maybe below the 20k. Gotta be careful. I love people who don't know it. Maybe he's Michael. Hey Mitch, what up? Hey, yeah, long time. Trading is okay, thank you. Everything is cool. Slowly, step by step, as usual. Good to see you back. How have you been? What's with trading and everything? Hope you're doing good. Wood chip is short. Okay. 20 minutes. Oh, you guys are playing at big ball. Okay. Oh man. She still hates you. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That is good. Exactly. Looking for the higher time frames is always a good thing. I know you are, Joker. How could you do that with 20 minis? Or yeah, actually you can with multiple accounts. 3 micros is good. Now these are the real traders, not just trading but putting a side bet on the trade. I like that, raising the level a little bit there. He's king. I don't doubt. I have no doubts. Max and 10 micros. A parlay. Yeah. Still trying to figure out which one would be, which direction would be hit first, but in this market, I don't know. Joker hesitated. Ah, the jester. Oh my god, I'm getting scared now. No, no, I wasn't trading on Friday. I was on a road trip to the sea. You can check it out in my vlog. I just uploaded it a few hours ago. I was taking a road trip to the sea. I decided to not to trade the NFP on Friday. Actually, we had to leave early to get down in time. So yeah, I was watching it, and honestly, like after the 9:30 open, this was like, especially here, you know, like from 10 a.m. to almost until lunch hour. Look at this range. And when I saw this, I said, okay, I think it's a good thing I was not trading this here. But obviously there was some possible like good setups in the PM session I could have taken, I guess. But I mean, I saw on Twitter that many people were posting some big profits there. But hey, McLovin. Oh, you live in Hawaii. 5 hours to go around the entire island. Well, McLovin, the thing is that when we drive down, it was flawless. We reached the ferry just on time, so we got down in about, I would say, with the ferry and everything, less than 8 hours, 7.5 hours, almost 8 hours, which is good, by the way, down to Maliloshin. So that was good. But coming home, oh my god, that was a nightmare. We're stuck in a storm. We missed down 2 ferries because it was full, so we just couldn't get on the ferry. We got into a traffic jam up in the hills 2 times actually. One at the hills at Rijeka and right before Zagreb. And it was, oh my god, 12 hours drive back home. I was super tired, so tired. I just couldn't like. But anyway, the place was awesome. I liked it. I liked it. Yeah, this range is super dirty. Fast 350k evals with NFP news. Let's go, Ron. At least you did good with that. I mean, not at least you did good with that. I know you're doing good, but that's good. Good thing you did that. Yeah, these are the times when the tick chart can actually work out. Yeah, London is closed. London is closed. Not really holidays. Like there was a holiday on the 1st of May. You know, Labor Day holiday, stuff like that, across multiple European countries. So there was a long weekend also last week for many people. Yeah, Naz. Dojis, yeah. Bird's eye view. Exactly. That can always help out if you don't know what to do. One thing's for sure, this market is it's just something I don't want to be in. I closed down the trade on that eval. I'm flat. What is gold doing? Even this is so bad. Either way, I think it should be popping into one way or another real soon, like into Asia high or low, whatever. Good night, Paul. Thanks for dropping in. Have a good one. Everybody, I'm gonna call it here. I would really love to stay, but there's just no. This is like, look at this. It's untradeable. Untradeable. I think we're better do come back for the New York session and not trade this crap. I'm sorry to say this out, but this is just not tradable, really. So let's just get back to New York session for today, okay? And we'll see what we can do. So I'm just gonna say thank you, everybody, so much for watching. Ladies and gentlemen, you are the greatest. Congratulations for the winner for the giveaway. And of course, although we don't have those big super sales which came in last month, but for now we still have some good ones. Oh, the Bulenox is not 80% off. I put on the wrong banner there. Anyway, it's 45% off, man. I'm sorry. Anyway, if you'd like to support the channel, please consider to use my code, which is right here, Tom Sabo. It works for most of these prop firms. MyFundedFutures has a welcome gift for you. If you're a brand new user, then they're going to give you 50% off from any plan. So check it out. You can use it. What else? You can check out the rest. Some good sales are going on. Thank you so much for the support. Take Profit Trader still has no activation fee and has the old promo. Rookie Trades, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining the channel and the stream. Thank you. And so again, everybody, this was a little bit of a sideways London session, but again, what can I say? God bless you all. Thank you for the support, and see you, ladies and gents, in the New York session. I'm still sleepy. See you guys in New York. Take care. Peace out.